Hello and welcome to another instructional video from Powerhouse Security. I'm Powerhouse Pete. Today we are going to be changing the batteries on this Power G smoke detector. You will need a small straight screwdriver and 3 AAA batteries.
Bedroom hall smoke tampered.
Once you have removed the smoke detector, take your small straight screwdriver and pry each battery to remove it. And once removed, we are going to wait 30 seconds to reinstall the new batteries. Take your new AAA batteries, negative side first, slide it in place, snap in. Now with the new batteries in place, let's go reinstall the smoke detector. Congratulations, you've replaced the batteries. Thank you for watching.